सृजनी मॉडल माध्यमिक विद्यापीठ मुंशिगंज आलमडंगा चुआडांगा। How are you learners? I am very fine, and you? I am also fine. We are going to discuss English Unit 1 Lesson 2 Nokshikata. Nokshikata is a kind of embroidered it was named after the poet Josimuddin. Nokshikata was published in 1929. Nokshikata became popular after the poet Josimuddin's poems. The traditional kathas are made for family use. Old and new katha, old and new and trade are used for this family. Jamalpur, Jashore, Bogura and Rajshahi are famous for this craft. Now it is popular. Now it is product commercially. So we can easily find them in a expensive handicraft shops in cities. What is Nokshikata? What is Nokshikata? What is Nokshikata? What is Nokshikata? Nokshikata ki? Nokshikata is a kind of embroidered. Nokshikata এক ধরনের নকশা করা কোয়েলেটস কাতা। It was kata which crafts, which men's crafts pattern. It is dignious. It is traditional crafts and said. It is traditional crafts and said to. It is said to Nokshikata, West Bengal in India, and in India, West Bengal and India to Bangladesh. What kinds, which districts are most famous for Nokshikata? Which district Which districts are famous for Nokshikata? Which district is famous for Nokshikata? Which districts famous for Nokshikata, such as Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Bogura, Jashore, etc. are famous for Nokshikata? in cities মানে where do we get them? In cities, where do we get them? In cities, where do we get them? We get them in big cities, expensive handicrafts shop. Which areas are famous for Nakshikata? Which areas are famous? Which areas are famous for Nakshikata? Which areas are famous for Nakshikata? In which districts are famous for Nakshikata? Which districts are famous for Nakshikata? Which areas are famous for Nakshikata? Which districts are famous for Nakshikata? Which areas are famous for Nakshikata? Such as it is a traditional crafts. It is said to be indigenous to Bangladesh and West Bangla in India. Which districts are famous for Nakshikata? Such as Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Bogura and Jashore are famous for Nakshikata. In cities, where do we get them? In cities, where do we get them? We find them in big cities or expensive handicraft shops. What is Nakshikata? Nakshikata is a kind of embroidery. It was Bengali word. It was Bangla word. Nakshikata. It is a traditional crafts and said indigenous to Bangladesh, West Bangla in India. The crafts, the arts has been preserved in Bengali areas in centuries. Nakshikata became popular after the poet Josimuddin poems. It was published in 1929. Traditional kathas are made for family use. Old katha and old cloth and new cloth are thread for the family used. Jamalpur, Jashore, Rajshahi and Faridpur. Jamalpur, Jashore and Rajshahi, Faridpur are famous for the crafts. It is a product Now it is product commercially. You can find them. You can find them in a expensive restaurant, handicraft shops in cities. We can find out the main words. The word craftsman, the word traditional, traditional. The word traditional means, the word traditional means, the word handicrafts means, the word artist means. What are the tradesmen? What are the tradesmen? Now we can discuss. Now we can discuss poet Josimuddin Nakshikata became popular. Who was Nakshikata? What is Kavi? What is poet Josimuddin? What is poet Josimuddin? Josimuddin is a great poet. Josimuddin is a great poet. Josimuddin is a great poet. He writes. He has written Nakshikata, Math. Josimuddin is a great poet. Josimuddin is a great poet. Who was Josimuddin? Josimuddin is a great poet. He has written Nakshikata. What has he written? What has he written? He has written Nakshikata. He has written Nakshikata. Josimuddin is a great poet. Who is a great poet? Josimuddin is a great poet. When did Nakshikata When did Nakshikata become popular? When did Nakshikata become popular? When did Nakshikata become popular? Josimuddin is a great poet. Who is great poet? Who has written Nakshikata Mat? What has he written? Nakshikata. He has written Nakshikata Mat. What he written? What has he written? He has written Nakshikata Mat. When did Nakshikata become popular? When did Nakshikata become popular? When did Nakshikata become popular? The Nakshikata became popular Nakshikata became popular after the poet Josimuddin Nakshikata became popular after the poet Josimuddin Nakshikata became popular after the poet Josimuddin poems When did Nakshikata become popular? Nakshikata became popular after the poet Josimuddin poems. When did Nakshikata published? When did Nakshikata published? When did Nakshikata published? Nakshikata was published in 1929. Josimuddin is a great poet. Who is a great poet? Josimuddin is a great poet. He has written Nakshikata Mat. Now, what has he written? He has written Nakshikata Mat. When did Nakshikata become popular? Nakshikata became popular after the poet Josimuddin poems published. When did Nakshikata published? Nakshikata was published in 1929. White additional white additional white additional white additional kata white additional katas white additional kata white additional kata made white additional katas made for family use. White additional kathas for family made for family use. White additional kathas made for family use. Bangladesh is a small country, but her population is very great. In the past, many men or great men, their ambition is high, so traditional kathas made for family use hot kinds of katha made for threat for family. There are many kinds of kathas use or trade for family. So Bangladesh or West Bengal are famous for this craft. Day by day, Nokshi Kata is become very popular. So we can see that everywhere men use day by day Nokshi Kata and embroidered kata or different kinds of dress men use every day. So Nokshi Kata is popular, old past time and present time. Which for difference present time and past time? Nokshi Kata. Nokshi Kata is very popular. At present, Nokshi Kata is very popular. We can see that every stage. At present, we live in science age. So everywhere we cannot go without science. Bangladesh, every country is communication day by day. All the cultural include in Bangladesh come and go every day. So Bangladeshi food and dress are changed every year. So embroidered kata or dress are very popular of Bangladeshi men. White traditional katas made for family use in cities where do we get them? In cities, where do we get them? we get them easily. Every market and every cities and urban area or rural area, we can usually expensive handicraft shops in cities. So we can see that Nokshikata Mart. You heard the name of Nokshikata Mart, written by Nokshikata, written by Kavi Jasimuddin. He was born Faridpur village, Faridpur district, home district, Faridpur, Tamulkhana village. He was a great poet and high ambition great poet, we can say. So Nokshikata is a very popular. Very popular. The name was taken from Bangla word embroidered, tail Bangla words embroidered coilet. Bengali word coilet. The name was taken from the Bengali word. Nokshikata became popular after the poet Jasimuddin poems. When did Nokshikata was published? Why did Nokshikata was published? Nokshikata was published in 1929. When did Nokshikata was published? Nokshikata was published in Nokshikata was published in 1929. When did Nokshikata was published? Nokshikata was published in 1999. Why traditional kathas are made for family used? Why traditional kathas are made for family used? Old or new cloth and thread are used for family use for this craft. Which areas famous for Nokshikata, such as Faridpur, Rajshahi, Jashore are famous for Nokshikata. In cities, where do we get them? We get them easily in cities, everywhere or every stage. We get easily find them in expensive handicraft shops. So at last we say that Nokshikata is a very popular and expensive dress, and kathas are made for family use. what is who is Josimuddin? Josimuddin is a great writer. He has written Nakshi-Kata Math, or he has written many poems, songs, and short stories. Such Nakshi-Kata is one of the Nakshi-Kata is one of them, very popular and best writes poet Josimuddin's. What is Nakshi-Kata? Nakshi-Kata is a kind of embroidered. Different kinds of embroidered, such as Nakshi, kata or dress or etc. Today is no more. You are very fine. I hope that you are very fine. We know that world is very illness. So we every year, every month, every days, and other families and social network flow. You are very well. I welcomed him. I welcomed them. I finished my lesson. I see again.